Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share a Bath & Body Works haul with you. I've got a bunch of body care, the new stuff, and I also picked up the gift set, which we will be unboxing today. So this is actually my second take for this video because I had insufficient space on my camera. And of course, it had to cut me off right at the end as well. And I'm not talented. I don't know how to pair the videos together. So, yeah. So I just have to do it from scratch. And that's okay. So first up, I picked up 1,000 Christmas wishes. And very sparkly, very festive packaging on that. And I love the spray pump, I guess it's called. I like the fact that it's purple. So cute. So the scent notes for this one are a celebratory blend of pomegranate prosecco, sweet elderberries, star jasmine, and sugar woods. And this is a limited edition for Christmas. And this is like a fruity, kind of like lemonade champagne. Like a fruity pink lemonade with champagne. I like it. So if you like champagne and like a fruit punch / lemonade type vibe, try this. And it's weird because there's no lemon in the description, but it kind of smells like a pink lemonade to me. Next, I picked up Frosted Snow Blossom. And the liquid is purple. And it's got snowflakes. Very cute. I love the lavender and the turquoise snowflakes. So cute. No scent notes on this one though. Okay, let's see. And this one is like, it's like I smell floral, but maybe there's like a hint of coconut in the back too. Like floral with a hint of coconut. That's what this smells like to me. So that is Frosted Snow Blossom. That one's just okay to me. Next is Snowy Morning. Beautiful packaging. I love that. Really, really, really pretty. I was looking to see what color the liquid is. It looks like it's teal, like a sea green color. No scent description on this packaging. This one's $14.50. And then Frosted Snow Blossom is $14. And then 1,000 Christmas Wishes is $15.50. So I don't know how they're deciding what price. This one is refreshing. This is like a floral with like spearmint. Yeah, it's like a floral spearmint. And that's just me sniffing. I don't know what the scent notes are for this because unfortunately I didn't pull it up. And then Bath & Body Works has the new collection that's featuring Black Cherry Merlot, Champagne Toast, Sweet Whiskey, and Confetti Daydreams. So I have some of it. Now I have so much Bath & Body Works. I stocked up on Black Cherry Merlot and especially Champagne Toast. And I even have Champagne Toast in the studded packaging too. So I really don't need any more of that. And by the way, the entire store all week has been buy 3, get 3 store wide. So you can mix and match, get whatever you want in the store, pay for 3, and then get 3 for free. And for the gift set, it was, you spend, I want to say it was $40. You spend $40, and then you have the option to purchase the gift set for $30. So, of course I did, right? So let's start with Black Cherry Merlot, because the packaging, I love the fuchsia and the purple together. And I love the fact that the liquid is fuchsia. And the packaging does look a bit like 80s retro. But I mean, it's festive and it's sparkly, so I don't mind it. I think it'll be pretty sitting on the dresser. But Black Cherry Merlot, the scent notes are dark cherry, black raspberry, and sumptuous Merlot. And if you follow me, you know how I feel about this one. I love it. It's like, oh my gosh, like a sangria with Merlot with fruit and then just cherry juice. Like maybe even half cherry juice. It is, oh my gosh, so sweet. And then you get the sweetness from the raspberry. I love this. I've actually been wearing this a lot lately. Like this has been my go-to fragrance lately. Just about every day, or at least halfway through the day. I apply this once a day lately. So I love it. And here is the body cream with iridescent sparkles. So cute. Yep, that is Black Cherry Merlot. And, you know, these retail for $15.50 for the spray and $14.50. And like I've talked about before, Bath and Body Works repackages just so they, to me, I shouldn't say just so they can increase the price, but that's what happens every time they change the packaging. They increase the price. And like sometimes they even do it twice a year. Like this is the second outfit that Black Cherry Merlot has gotten this year. And one year, Champagne Toast got a new outfit like 3 times, and the price increased 3 times. So I'm like, you know, I'm going to try not to get suckered into the new packaging. I'm fine using up my old packaging, but I love this one. So I don't mind stocking up, you know what I mean? And then Sweet Whiskey, I did go ahead and pick up a body cream, and I love the apricot color. I do. That's one of my favorite colors with the pink. It's very cute. So Sweet Whiskey is golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, and sweet apple blossom. And Sweet Whiskey, I did a review on this and Black Cherry Merlot, but you either love this or you hate it. Okay, it's like there's no in between with this one. I happen to love it. It smells like a whiskey sour, but it's sweet from the vanilla, and then on the dry down, it takes on like this really feminine powdery note. So I really enjoy Sweet Whiskey, and I have a lot of it. So I did pick up another body cream. Also, Champagne Toast is part of this collection. Now, yeah, I didn't get that, but I did pick up the one that I'm most excited for, and that is Confetti Daydream. And I love the fact that the liquid, see that? It's like this turquoise color. So cute. So the scent notes are fresh raspberries, sparkling pear, and blue iris. It's the party that never ends. Dance the night away and get lost in a confetti daydream. So, and that does not disappoint. This smells like, you get the raspberry and then the pear, which is a nice combination, but the iris, this is like a very balanced fruity floral. Yeah. So if you like fruity florals, and I really like this one, you guys. That's Confetti Daydream. So I'm happy that I picked it up in the body cream as well. And that's what it looks like. I like the contrasting the back with the front. It's cute. Let me see if the lotion, okay, the lotion, or body cream I should say, is just white. I think it would have been really cute if they had like dyed the body cream like a powder blue to match the packaging. I think that would have been really, really cute. Okay, now moving on to Aromatherapy. I picked up another Eucalyptus and Tea. I love this. It's the combination between the eucalyptus and the black tea is enchanting. It's so refreshing, and I love it. I love this. I have it in the hand soap. I have it in the hand sanitizer, and I have lotion already. But I'm almost out of my hand soap, and they had sold out of it in the store. So I was a little disappointed. I might go online and see if I can find some more on that because I love it. It's just so refreshing. Oh, I love this so much. Then I picked up another hand soap in Ya Latte. And the scent notes are espresso bean, creamy vanilla, and whipped sugar. And you guys, this is amazing. Don't ask me why I want my hands to smell like espresso. This smells like a latte. A creamy, milky, sugary, sweet latte. And I love it. And yes, your hands do smell like espresso, but it's sweet espresso, and I love it. And you know what? I am an espresso drinker and a tea drinker, so I guess it makes sense that I'm in love with these two. I am, and I think it's also so cute that this smells like coffee, but it's pink. I think that's so brilliant. I love it. Yeah, pink is one of my favorite colors too. So, yeah, Ya Latte. And then I picked up Japanese Cherry Blossom Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer because you can't have too much of these. Now, this is $5.50, and yeah, it smells like Japanese Cherry Blossom, which is just a classic signature scent for Bath and Body Works. It's like a really feminine floral, and I love it. And I like these pumps for my car specifically because if I just ran an errand, I get in my car, I can just reach over and boom, pump, get that, and just, oh, sorry, something fell and bumped my camera. But it's just so easy rather than picking something up, snapping the top open, squeezing it. I mean, by that time, your hands have been all over everything. I just like simple and easy pump, and I'm done. So I will keep one of these for my car for sure. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the gift box. So this retails for $101.40. It comes in a very sturdy gift box, and there's a bunch of stuff in here. And mind you, I got this for $30. So crushed candy cane, antibacterial hand sanitizer, and it smells like a candy cane. And then you also get, oh no, that's cute, crushed candy cane candle. And I'm loving the facts. I'm loving the fact that the wax is bubblegum pink. I love that. And it is a single wick, and this smells like a sweet candy cane. It's delicious. Yep, I like that. And then I've also got a keychain. I think this is for the pocket back hand sanitizer. Santa's hat with a bell on it. I don't like that. I don't like this. Yeah. I'll be giving that away. Or throwing it away. I don't know which. But I don't like that. Okay, and then I've got a hand soap in 'Tis the Season. And this is red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. Oh no, I don't like clove, you guys, or cinnamon. Let's see. It's not bad. It's predominantly apple, and then you get the clove and cinnamon. It's not bad. Okay, I can do that because it's still really sweet. Okay, so that's 'Tis the Season. And then they gave me, let's see, oh, I get a full-size candle as well. Okay, and 'tis the season. Okay, I'm glad I don't hate it because that would have been so tragic to have a 3-wick candle and a hand soap in a scent I despise. But it's not bad. It's, it does remind me of the winter. Yeah, so it's cool. I like the label too. It's kind of cute. I don't know though. I might give a lot of this away because I have so much stuff, you guys. And then I'm excited for this. So I have more in there. Okay. So Ooh, I have a hand cream and Christmas candy cane. It's so cute. Okay, let's see here. They have the scent notes on this. No, but it smells like candy cane. Yep. Can't have too much hand cream either these days. My hands are always so dry. Okay, so I can put that down. Now, they have included Dahlia, Fine Fragrance Mist, Shower Gel, and Body Lotion. Okay, so I actually did a review on this one as well. The scent notes are Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, and Whipped Tonka Bean. And I'm glad to get more of this, you guys, because I actually gave some Dahlia away to a friend. But I love this. This is a sophisticated feminine floral. It's beautiful. And then that pear sweetens it. And then some of my viewers actually said this smells like Fancy by Jessica Simpson, I think it was. Now, I haven't smelled Fancy. I haven't. But I'm sure I would like it because I really like this. And I did a review on that. And if you haven't checked it out, I'll go ahead and link it up here. But yeah, this is nice. I love it. Now, I had picked up the body scrub for this, the shower scrub, and it smelled like mushrooms to me. I returned that. Okay, I did not give that away. I returned it, but no mushroom in the shower gel. I think that was just a bad batch of shower scrubs, because why did I get mushroom? It was so weird. I don't know, but this doesn't smell anything like mushroom. It's beautiful. It smells lovely, like Dahlia. So that's what I have for you for this video. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.